What's up, everyone? Welcome back. As always, things are action-packed and fast-paced in the crypto markets. The altcoins are rebounding, Ethereum is retesting all-time highs, and Bitcoin is recovering from its recent plunge. As we continue to march forward towards mass adoption, we have great announcements and new projects starting each and every day, and you're starting to see some really outrageously bullish predictions from some unexpected places. And we're going to get into an article from Bloomberg that gives an outrageous Bitcoin price prediction, and we're going to look to one of the reasons why the price might be edging up right now. In addition, we're going to look at a project that's really got a lot of momentum right now, called Cardstarter. It is a project accelerator. It's basically a project launchpad, if you will, and it's going to help new projects get funding and launch on the Cardano blockchain. And this project is blowing up. I'm going to tell you what that means for the Cardano ecosystem. We're going to get to all those things and more right now. This is AI on Crypto. We cover cryptocurrency prices and trends, altcoin gems, and all the things on the blockchain that are going to fill your bags to the max, and we're going to also keep you far, far away from Wreck City. We pump out 5 to 6 informative cryptocurrency videos a week to keep you on the top of your crypto game. We cover NFTs, DeFis, altcoins, and everything worth your interest on the blockchain. So if you want to get down on that, make sure you subscribe, tap that bell so you don't miss a thing, and if you want to help the channel out, give us a like to help us with the algorithm. All right, let's jump into the stories of the day. Okay, guys, let's start out with this crazy Bitcoin news. We've got Bloomberg foreseeing a Bitcoin rally to 400K this year. That's right, 400,000, crazy prediction from Bloomberg. All right, so let's see here. How high can Bitcoin fly in the ongoing bull run? That's a question on traders' mind after the cryptocurrency's price has jumped fivefold since October. According to Bloomberg, Bitcoin analyst, the price could climb as high as 400,000 this year from about 56K now at the time of the article. The uber bullish prediction is based on Bitcoin's performance during the 2017 and 2013 bull runs. Their graphic depicts Bitcoin on similar ground as the roughly 55x gain in 2013 and 15x in 2017, Bloomberg Crypto noted in a monthly report published this week. To reach price extremes akin to those years in 2021, the crypto would approach 400,000 based on the regression since the 2011 high. While past performance is no guarantee of future results, history might rhyme. The latest bull run comes in the wake of last May's reward halving on the Bitcoin blockchain, an automatic every 4-year 50% reduction in the pace of new issuance of units of the cryptocurrency. So guys, news like this makes me a little bit nervous because sometimes the opposite happens of what these traditional financial publications say. They'll give you all the FUD and the price will soar. They'll give you great news and the price will dump. There's a lot of manipulation and smoke and mirrors with these guys. But you know what? Honestly, I gotta say, I don't disagree with them. And what really excites me is that if Bitcoin gets to 400,000, what do you think that means for the altcoins? I mean, if we're talking about a $400,000 Bitcoin, it's going to be an alt season that is going to make so many millionaires and billionaires, it's not even funny. And right here we have another article which mentions this notion of a supply shortage of Bitcoin. It says here, Bitcoin has crossed the 60,000 mark again as experts point to a supply shortage. Now, let me tell you something very interesting about Bitcoin that is not true with traditional stocks on the stock market. If you have an E-Trade account and you have 1,000 shares of Tesla, those shares stay on the exchange. If you're tired of that broker and you want to send and you want your funds to be held at a different brokerage, you have to sell those stocks there, get your money, go open a new account and rebuy the stocks at that other exchange. Whereas in crypto, it's a little bit more unique because we can buy the crypto assets on an exchange like Coinbase, and then we can take those assets, send them off the exchange to either other exchanges or in many cases to our offline hardware wallets that we keep our cryptocurrency because it's more secure. And what does this mean? It means there can be a serious supply shortage where exchanges actually don't have enough supply of the coins to meet the demands of the market. And if something like that happens, you could have a serious hyper increase in the price of Bitcoin. And of course, that means the alts would absolutely moon as well. And speaking of altcoins, let's talk about one of the biggest altcoins out there, Cardano. As we know, the Goguen era of Cardano is coming soon, okay? And with that means smart contract protocols on the Cardano network. There's going to be exchanges, swaps, DeFi protocols, NFT protocols, social tokens, you name it. It's going to be a vibrant ecosystem. And just like the Polkadot network had Polkastarter, the Cardano network now has something called Cardstarter. This thing launched a couple of weeks ago, guys, at under $3. Now, currently $35 a coin. And this is going to be an IDO launchpad where projects come to get financing and then launch on the Cardano network. You can see here, in order to participate in these IDOs, in order to get guaranteed allocation, you have to have at least 500 cards tokens. They have 6 different tiers, which gets you different levels of allocation, but all of them except the 500 are guaranteed. So it looks like if you only have 500 cards, you're going to be in a lottery for IDO allocation. If you have at least 1,500 cards, you are going to have guaranteed allocation. So anyways, to see this project right here jump up to $65 million in market cap, what does that tell you? It tells you that a lot of investors are thinking that there's going to be explosive opportunities on the Cardano network. People are buying cards tokens because they want in on this IDO launchpad so that they can benefit from early pricing on these Cardano ecosystem coins. And to me, that's ultra bullish for Cardano. So we've got Bloomberg predicting a $400,000 Bitcoin. We've got this new IDO launchpad called Cardstarter on going absolutely bananas, having done over a 15x since launch, and it lets me know. And by the way, it did that in the middle of this pullback. So there is a lot of enthusiasm. The Cardano community is unfazed by anything, and they are pushing this project to the moon. By the way, big announcement with Cardano. They just had a huge partnership announced with the Ethiopian government. Absolutely fantastic. Exciting time to be alive. Not just Cardano, but we've got Polkadot, Solana, the Conflux network. You name it. There's so many exciting projects. The Flare network is coming for the XRP community. It's going to bring NFTs, smart contracts, DeFi, you name it, to the XRP ledger. Wow. Absolutely exciting. And then on top of all of that, we've got blockchain gaming taking off, giving people an opportunity to earn money in their pastime. Wow, I can't believe that all this stuff is really happening. All right, everyone, it's most certainly been real. Hope you liked the video today. If you didn't do it already, subscribe to the channel, give us a like. We'll catch you on the next video.